Morning Jamaica. This morning when I want to talk about see something we are going with, something wrong. Yeah man, in the football, Jamaica football, all of the talented ball of them who have potential and talent, them don't give them a chance to prove themselves. When me a youth I grow up and I play football. Yeah, you have coach interest in it, but guess I go on now. Too much bias thing in Jamaica football. And when you're good and you know you can do it, them still not get the chance. Look here now. 1990, I don't remember when it's Simone come on. When it's Simone come about 93. If anybody who can tell me, give me an answer. If me wrong, tell me wrong, but me know. But when time when Simone come on, because when Simone come to Jamaica, come coach Jamaica. There was not even a football team at the time, because at the same time when you were Jamaica football team, I 1 and 2 man a year, but I know. But they never played ball where they play. When this one come here, and the man pick a side out of nothing. When I talk England ball, I know about Jamaica itself. All the Jamaica ball them what you see, play Jamaica. If you have 15 players on the side, 10 of them play major league. You believe that? Major league. Because when it's someone come here, come see. That's some random man that play football and he say, yo, he can do it, but people that wonder how he going to do it. The man tried the 14 parish and pick a football team. The man picked 4 defenders from major league. Them time there. Not in major league, Craven. If enough people watch football in time, they don't know what the league name, Craven. Yeah. So when they check it out, something wrong with Jamaica Football Federation, brother. I'm not calling Jamaica Football Federation, I call them justice just for fun. Because you can't understand it. We have a lot of skill baller, good baller here. I look at it now. Me and Bill come out and say something about Jamaica. And I show, look at it. When Tuffy Anderson played, Tuffy Anderson was the leading goal scorer for about 2 years. And they never give a chance because they have to say they have go for the foreign ball and they have go for the ball of them. You know see what happened? You know see what happened? They ever did a sabotage the interested player, them player who really want to show them talent. 90 years upside, you know. When the money go to France, you know, we have 3 goalkeepers. Donovan, Aaron Lawrence, Warren Barrett. When time Warren Barrett a player to Jamaica, he never really rated that much like how you have Aaron Lawrence. Donovan, you know. But Donovan, they good enough, but Aaron Lawrence serious about in game. And Aaron Lawrence went Jamaica, go France and do so good enough. Yeah, Aaron Lawrence, you know. And Warren Barrett, you know. Because what? When time Donovan finger injured, Aaron Lawrence or Warren Barrett keep, yeah? And Warren Barrett show them say Jamaica couldn't go far. And 1 goal we couldn't go work up. Second round, you know, 1 goal, you know, Croatia beat we, you know. Yeah? I try to show you football is that thing where them don't respect the youth them who would serious. Look at this now. Jamaica got Mexico, 97, go play some practice match and I war go on. If I'm there so I know for Jamaica side did I go far, you know. I really someone tell you, you know, say me and carry them, you know. Watch it now. You see what I know when I Jamaica football, it's gone bad. You know what they do? Jamaica Football Federation know what they do right now. They don't know one thing what they do. So Mr. Chin, you better allow this thing and give somebody to see what you know. Why would you not try to get the Jamaica Football Association president to football player, a pass player. Why not forget? Me don't know Chin play football. Them play football. Me don't know if Chin play football. Me know Captain Oresbury play football. Yeah. Carl Brown play football. But this a man this a man have to work portfolio and anything better with him. That Chin is what? The man deal with politics, election, prediction and anything. The man deal with stocks and anything there. Stock exchange and anything there. You see me? The man deal with many things in a Jamaica, the portfolio. Yeah. But me not see it. Oh, the man give a man president of football and the man they were play football in the barn. That don't look sensible, brother. Not even go and see the man going on. You never talk about the man that play football. Something wrong. So you are going. I'm begging you. Jamaica Football Federation. Try find the football player them who is play Jamaica, the past player them, put them in a position. Yeah, Warren Barrett, goalkeeper coach. Right? Aaron Ramirez, goalkeeper coach. That, you understand? What I get now? Yeah, Whitmore. And then fire Whitmore. So Whitmore now doing. And Jamaica do good and Whitmore we get to go on now. But go down come around because we really someone to coach them. They don't want to hear really someone talk to them. So you see what you know, everybody get in a 6 year. But it look bad man, poor man, poor. So listen up, find something to do about this Jamaica to qualify very good because when you are building a player, it makes no sense. One man and one man play football now. But Liam Bailey is a man with this Jamaica different plan. And they don't look up to you, right? Something wrong with them. Look here now. We have good goalkeeper in Jamaica, we have goalkeeper overseas. Yeah, but every city is one goalkeeper keep it. Why every time in Jamaica play match, you must have one man a keep? That don't make no sense. And the Jamaica side, we not talk about foolishness. Because we see them play against Argentina nowadays. And every man tell them Messi want Messi number 10. And the footballer going to play them, Jersey then go for. So you what going on? You see all the man who turning into Messi, let's leave Jamaica football side now. I mean, deal with Jamaica football side. You want in Messi, you go Argentina, you go to the country. Go PSG, go France. But right now, we can't take the ball of them. When they see something, take the ball of them run behind them like them. Them are God. Messi and a God. But I see Jamaica lose what they too love. We are play good, and good we are play. No goal scope and we, you know. I never follow when the first goal scope of Jamaica, what the man do? The man them they try to say how them are different. And then instead of doing the same thing, so Jamaica side. You see the man them worship baller, low Jamaica side, yeah? And if we don't find out say money do that, start from money cup with them. What go on? So money cup play over there. And all the cup play over there, all the little play over there. You know what I do? Try find some player we can play with Liam Bailey. But you don't know how to do that. You don't fight against Liam Bailey because Liam Bailey say you not deal with foolishness. And I show a crap you not deal with. So, and no matter what Liam Bailey apologize to him. For why Liam Bailey apologize to him? When him know what he must say. At the Argentina match, man tell that you know. Only put on a man second half in the Argentina match. Only if you have Liam Bailey on the bench. Argentina player and put on Liam Bailey. You don't want to help, brother. So here we go on. Me I change the name for JFF right now. And the Jamaica Football Federation, you know. Just for fun. So when you go sit down, you think and watch match. You just buy popcorn and some Pepsi and go and drink and go and watch. Because I say, Jamaica not take it serious. Enough of them man live in Brazil and Germany in place. Enough of them who don't get no game for Germany side and in first place. If you don't try, if you do not good to prove to the country that you can do it. Watch it. Something wrong, brother. So, here we go on. You hear me say? if we don't have lane build up on the side, and if we don't stop have one goalkeeper key for Jamaica, we don't know go for we don't know go work up. No, we don't go work up. So I work up you know what? We can just work up in a Jamaica and just go sit down and look on the cup and say I work up that you know. We don't know go work up, we have something to do. JFF, stop it. Stop the foolishness, brother. Stop it. I beg you now. You grieve me out to see how Jamaica go on good. Every time Jamaica play qualify, Jamaica win the first 3 matches and go on good, you know. And every time, every match man play, man start up change the starting level. You can't change the starting level. All the thing to me when you could have change for that team, to me you could have change a goalkeeper, rest a goalkeeper. Because you know say, you play 3 matches. Start the next man and goal now, no? We don't play game Mexico, we play game Mexico and have one goalkeeper keep. The whole of man know keeper stay already saying no, you don't like our ground, so they know if we go score upon him. You can just keep out them have a think to score upon. Nah, work out, so. Just for fun, I'm out, you know. Jamaica Football Federation. Just for fun, so. One nutshell I tell you now. Something if done here. Have a nice day.